Hey guys, so this week we are going to talk about quadrilaterals. So last week we talked about triangles, which are shapes that have three sides. Now we're talking about quadrilaterals, which you should know or be able to figure out that a quadrilateral is just a shape that has four sides. So for quadrilateral, for this box, I need you to write, oops, that's way too thick. Let's fix that. All right. A shape with four sides. Okay? They also have four angles. So a shape with four sides and four angles. And that would be a quadrilateral. And there are different types of quadrilaterals, and we're going to talk about 5 real quick today. So our first is rectangle, and you know what a rectangle is, but we're going to just spell out the specifics of what makes a rectangle a rectangle. So rectangles have 2 pairs of equal sides, 2 pairs of parallel sides, and 4 right angles. Remember, parallel means that there are 2 lines that are going the same direction, the same angle, and so they'll never run into each other. Even if I extended these forever and ever, they would never run into each other. They're going the same direction, kind of like the 2 sides of a road. Those are parallel to each other. So let's just draw a quick picture of a rectangle. Okay, that's not perfect, but okay, it's got 4 right angles, 90 degrees. We talked about right angles last week. 2 pairs of equal sides, so this side is the same as this side, and this side is the same as this side. 2 pairs of parallel sides. This one and this one will never touch each other, and this one will never touch each other. And there we have it. That's a rectangle. Okay, let's move on to squares. Squares are basically just a type of rectangle, and we'll talk about that a little bit more next week, what I mean by a type of rectangle. Squares, they're a quadrilateral, right? But they have 4 right angles, and 4 equal sides. So square, all the sides are the same length. So this is not going to be a very good square. Yeah, that's more a rectangle, but we'll pretend. 4 right angles, and this side is equal to this side, is equal to this side, is equal to this side. And that's a square. A rhombus. This might be a new shape for you. I'm not really sure. And I can't really ask you, or I would. A rhombus has 2 pairs of parallel sides, sides, and 4 equal sides. So a rhombus has 4 equal sides, kind of like a square, but the angles aren't necessarily 90 degrees. I can't really draw a rhombus. I'm trying really hard. All right, that's better. Okay, so this side is equal to this side, is equal to this side, is equal to that side, but none of these are 90 degrees. They're all less than 90 degrees. Okay, that is the end of this video for part 1. Please tune in to part 2, which will talk about parallelograms and trapezoids. Okay, see you in a few minutes. Bye.